We are expecting to attract over 100,000 patrons at the show. And we are looking to partner for the very first time with communities within Clarendon. The population of Clarendon is in the region of 260,000 individuals. We are expecting to see a number of communities in the parish of Clarendon where the show is held to come out and endorse it in a very big way over the 3 days. The admission for Denbigh this year is $900 on day 1, which is July 30th, the Saturday. Sunday, day 2, and Monday, day 3 will be $1,000. The cost, the admission for children is $400 for all 3 days. The other big takeaway is that we're expecting to have over 250 exhibitors and sponsors, simply making it the largest and the best Denbigh ever. And we are estimating this year that the show will generate somewhere in the region of $75 million, up 15% over last year. So again, the 64th staging is expected to be the biggest show ever. We estimated that the impact of Denbigh to the commercial impact to Clarendon and Jamaica is approximately $1 billion. So Denbigh is huge economic activities in the agricultural sector and for the general economy. I would like to really open up to all Jamaica to come to the Denbigh Agricultural Show as we salute the farmers of Jamaica for their tremendous effort and for their continued support. The theme will continue to be grow what we eat and eat what we grow. Our sub-theme will be through climate smart agriculture. And we think this is very relevant this year, noting the important contribution of this campaign to the Jamaican economy by influencing the growth of domestic crop production from 491,000 metric tons when we first launched a campaign in 2003. In addition to the production, the Eat Jamaican campaign have saved the Jamaican economy US $500 million over the period. So what we are seeking to promote at Denbigh is how can we expand agricultural production, yes, through climate smart agriculture.